Hello, welcome back to Fitness and Wellbeing. Today I'm going to show you few stretches and exercises that will help you to strengthen your abdomen area, your core area and your lower back area. If you are suffering from a lower back pain issue or you have a stiff lower back, these exercises and stretches will definitely help you out. So let's start the video. So we'll start with a cat and cow stretch to warm up yourself. This will help you to increase the blood flow in your body. Keep your arms straight, and as you inhale, look up, arch your back, exhale, round your back, suck your belly in, inhale, look up, arch your back, exhale, suck your belly in, look down, inhale, arch your back, look up, exhale, round your back, suck your belly in, look down, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more, inhale, exhale. And now go in downward dog position. Slightly bend your knee if you have a lower back issue or stiffness in your hamstrings or in your shoulders. Try to lengthen your spine. Pull up from your lower back and push the mat forward. Try to elongate your spine. Feel the nice stretch in your shoulders, in your lower back area, and try to deep breathe. As you exhale, suck your belly in. Engage your core. And put your knees down. Go in child pose. Open your knees. Sit on your heels and try to extend your spine. Keep your arms straight. Keep your toes together. Feel yourself relax in child pose. And relax. Come in tabletop position. And now as you inhale, arch your back, look up, and try to lift your right leg up. Keep your leg straight and exhale.
Keep your knee close to your heart and try to touch the knee if possible.
Inhale, arch your back, lift your leg up. Exhale.
Keep your knee close to your heart. Engage your core.
Inhale. Exhale.
Suck your belly in.
Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.
One more. Inhale.
Exhale.
And relax. Change it to other side.
Inhale. Look up, arch your back. Lift your left leg up. Point your toes. Straight your knee. Exhale.
Keep your knee close to your heart.
Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale.
Exhale.
Inhale.
Exhale.
Inhale. Exhale.
One more. Inhale
and exhale.
And relax. Go back in child pose.
Open your knees.
Sit on your heels.
Keep your toes together.
Elongate your spine. Feel yourself relax.
Again, come in tabletop position. Keep your spine flat, and as you inhale, lift your right arm up and lift your left leg up. Suck your belly in and stay there for at least 15 to 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and relax. Change it to other side. Keep your spine straight, and as you inhale, lift your left hand up and your right leg up. Suck your belly in. Stay there at least 15 to 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and relax. Again go back to child pose. Deep breathing. Again come in tabletop position. Inhale, lift your right hand up and your left leg up and try to touch your knee from the elbow. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Engage your core. Inhale. Exhale. 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 One more. Inhale. Exhale. Change it to other side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Go back to child pose. Keep your back relaxed. Deep breathing. Lay down on your abdomen area. Put your hands under your shoulders and as you inhale, lift your head up and your chest up, and now try to lift your lower body up, legs up, and now try to lift up your hands as well. Stay there for 15 to 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and relax. Deep breathing. Lay down straight on your back. Keep your arms straight over your head. Point your toes, and as you inhale, make a hollow body position. Engage your core. Stay there for 15 to 20 seconds. And relax. Bend your right knee over your abdomen. Keep your left leg straight. Flex your toes. Hold there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and open your arms on your shoulder level. Exhale. Twist to left side. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and relax. Inhale. Bend your left knee. Press on your abdomen area. Keep your right leg straight. Tuck your toes. Stay there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Open your arm on your shoulder level and twist to the right side. Neck opposite. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and relax. If you want better results, you can do 2 to 3 more sets of these exercises. I hope you like this video. Please let me know in the comment section below how it goes, and like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Till then, bye bye. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.